I'm hungover and I ordered a whole bunch of McDonald's. So if you guys just want to eat with me, chit chat with me, I haven't done an eating show in like, I don't even know, like 6 months or something like that. So let's have some Canadian McDonald's and let's do some chit chatting if you want to stay. I have a list of things, topics that I'm gonna talk about. But first of all, let's unbox this all together here. Literally, anyway. That's cool, actually. I've never seen that happen before. Oh, Monopoly's gone. Oh, no. So I got nuggets, fries. This is, I don't even remember what this is. An iced tea. This is a tampon straw. Okay. I just found out some like bad news. Like not bad news, just iced tea. Okay, then I got chicken snack wrap because I feel like all over social media people are like, there's no such thing as bring back the chicken snack wrap. I'm like, there is a chicken snack wrap. It literally says snack wrap right here. And I got the ranch chicken one and I added bacon. I think maybe it might just be Canadians that have this, unless this isn't the same snack wrap that's like all over social media. Like if you type in snack wrap on Twitter, people are like, oh, bring back the snack wrap. It was the worst decision to get rid of it. I'm like, I always see it on the menu. I just never get it. So that's why I got it, to try it with you guys. I also said 3 vinegars. I know people are probably like, why vinegar? I literally love vinegar on McDonald's fries. Oh my God. And stop it. I paid money for a sweet and sour sauce because I chose barbecue for my nuggets, but then I added on and paid money for sweet and sour as well, and they didn't give it to me. Never mind, they gave me 4 vinegars. Okay, we're at least happy about that. So this is all my food. Yum, there's so much. I'm moving. I put this really close up to do the thumbnail here. So let's have a chit chat and eat. Get your food and come and sit and eat with me, okay? Okay. I like the squishy fries the best, and I love vinegar so much, so I kind of like dump out each packet at a time for vinegar. I know I might be a little odd that way. Because I don't know anyone else who has vinegar with their fries. Like I like it drenched. So I got a 1/4 pounder with cheese. Let's try this snack wrap. Because I used to have these in high school. Because me and my friends would go to McDonald's and the only thing I could afford, because I'm in high school, was a snack wrap. Because it's like $3 or something. But is this the right one? And I never really liked them that much. It was just like what was cheap. Oh man. Okay, it's so cold. Oh well. I don't mind. I'm somebody that doesn't mind like if your food is like warm. Warm or hot or anything. It looks way different on the website than on this. But one thing I have never tried is the McRib. I know we used to have it in Canada, but they said they brought it back. And that's what I was trying to get to try it, and it's not on the menu. So anyway, I'm hungover. Ugh, I feel like I'm just gonna sleep all day after this. I wanted to get this video up, so I wanted to talk with you guys because I did a chit chat get ready with me recently, and you guys liked it, and I just like want to be able to just sit and talk about everything. Let's see. I got some spicy chicken nuggets. I'm so sad about the sweet and sour sauce, but whatever. I really like the spicy ones. I did a taste test on my channel, or on the vlog channel for them. I was like, okay, they're not really spicy, but I keep thinking about them. I'm like, sometimes I think about you. I went to the bar with my friends, and then we came back here and we were drunk and we dyed my friend's hair in my sink. I'm now hungover. I haven't seen my friend for a long time, and he was only in the city for like 2 days, and then he's going away for a long time. I won't be able to see him probably for like a month, so we all went out. I had a good time. So if I seem off in this video, it's because like I can't. Okay, the first thing is this phone case. People have asked me where I've got it. There's a button at the back here, and it lights up, and it's really good for selfies. It's also really good in like the club or in like a dark restaurant if you don't want to use flash. Why is this leaking? What the hell? It's like dripping. Do we see that? Ew. And it's like not ketchup, it's like watery. Ew. That's actually disgusting. I got extra ketchup and extra onions. Hungover vibes. Oh my god. It's like peeing everywhere. I've been really into watching mukbangs lately. I think it's like good when I'm just like dyeing my hair, doing my hair, doing my makeup, and then just put on a mukbang. It's like good background noise. My favorite people to watch right now are Steph Pappas, Nick Cottle. I've been watching a lot of Nick Cottle lately, and Amberlynn. Love her. I'm so sad there's no Monopoly. So I'm gonna be chewing, eating, talking with my mouth full. So if you don't like that, then Please exit out of the video. I feel like this is just like chicken nuggets in a wrap. I don't see how it's that iconic, but whatever. Recently, as I don't know if you guys know, but the YouTuber HereForTea 2 passed away. It was so shocking to see that. She's always been so nice to me. Her name's Sam. She's always been very respectful to me. Whenever we talk, she was always so nice. And that's what like everyone else was saying too, which I like that people were bringing up like positive things and had such good interactions with her. I've talked to a lot of drama channels like in my time on YouTube, and you know, they're everyone's people too, and people are just making content, and if you're a good person, it'll show. And I could just tell that she was a good person. It's really upsetting. The one thing is like when somebody passes away, I feel like a lot of people want to know why, how, what happened, right? But in actuality, like it is none of anyone's business. Like it just isn't. It's really sad. It's really, really sad. And my love and my thoughts go out to her family through that time. It must be so hard. People probably have all these questions because she's on social media. I can't even imagine the amount of questions to her family, because that just is what's going to happen, and that's really sad. I know people are just curious, but I just think it is important to know, like, you put things on social media, but not everything should be on social media, right? I have hair dye underneath my nails. So my condolences to her. This quarter pounder sucks. When I'm done hanging out with my friends, my stomach hurts so bad because I laugh like the entire time. I laugh so hard that my ab muscles like literally hurt the next day. I don't know if that's any with you guys. Like I just like can't stop laughing because everyone's so funny. And I have such a good time, like a genuine good time. It's always good to have good people in your life that you love and care about. So if you've tried the McRib, let me know how it is. I saw like a TikTok on how it was being made. Ew. Like I saw them being like, oh, McRib's back. And they take out this like ET looking thing. It looks like so disgusting. It looks like there's supposed to be ribs in it, but it's like I don't know, that just like turned me off. And then they dunk it in some sauce to like cover it, but how it looks like a naked mole rat or something like that. Ew. I don't know if I'd be able to try it. It just seems like really like fatty and gristly, but everyone loves it, so it obviously can't be that bad. I don't know if I'd be able to try it, honestly. Also, Justin Bieber's coming out with, he's doing a collab with Tim Hortons. I feel like all these like things are Canadian right now. Canada's killing it right now, and I can't wait to try them. They're called like Tim Biebs instead of Tim Bits. Because like, if you don't know Tim Hortons, it's like the donut holes. Excuse me, they call them Timbits. And he's calling them Tim Biebs, so I have to try them. And they're not just like vanilla or something like that. They come up with like, I think it's like chocolate waffle sprinkle or something like that. Like all these different flavors. I might try those on the vlog channel. I'm already full. I feel like when you're hungover, well, at least for me, I like want so much stuff when you're ordering it, but then when it gets to you, I can only eat like 3 bites, and then I'm like back to feeling like crap. And when I woke up in the morning, looked out the window, it has snowed. I showed on my vlog channel that it snowed a few days ago, or a few weeks ago, but it was just like a little light covering, and it melted because it was nice outside. This is like snow to stay now, which I'm happy about having a white Christmas. I love. It feels like Christmas to me now. It never even felt like Halloween because there was no snow. I might sound weird to you guys if you guys don't have snow, but to me, I'm like, Halloween is like dressing up in your outfit and going trick-or-treating and freezing like this, and there was no snow. Oh, did you guys see that? Okay, so weird. I'm not gonna go into climate change and talk about climate change, but oh, that iced tea is good. I've been having really weird dreams lately, like weird ones. I've always had like nightmares and like odd dreams, but this is like really weird, like oddly specific things that like, I know like dreams are like, oh, it feels like a movie, like, and it's real things in your life. I get that, but like these have been like so weird that like when I wake up in the morning, I'm like thinking it actually happened, or like with a specific friend, I had a dream about them and I thought it actually happened because it was so real, so real. I don't know, there's something in the air lately. I feel like everyone's going through something. Everyone's going through it. These are kind of spicy today. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I'm gonna be doing, did I even say about this phone case? It doesn't even have a brand name on it. But if you type in, if you go to Amazon and just type in light up phone case, you'll probably find it. Another thing, hi Cheesy. Come on. Hello. I don't know if you want to come see me because I have food, or if you won't like the fries, there's vinegar all over them. Cats don't like vinegar. Cats like burgers, yeah, I know you do. Oh, I just feel like crap. being hungover. It's like not worth it. I'm drinking, you're like having a great time, and then you wake up in the morning, you're like, it literally wasn't worth it to freaking drink. but we all do it. Well, I shouldn't say all of us, but when people drink and then they're like, I'm never drinking again. But yes, I will be doing Vlogmas. I'm getting lots of questions about that. I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas. Me just petting my cat instead of doing mukbang. I'm like full though. Honestly, I'm over it. This was trash. The snack wrap just, it tastes like just Caesar dressing or ranch dressing. My friends, I went to the bar before we came back here. People were like, you need to dye your hair brown. Because I saw my post. They're like, you need to dye your hair brown. You look so good. I'm continuously getting tweets, Instagram DMs and stuff like that saying that I should dye my hair brown. I don't know, like the thing is, I love my blonde hair. I love being blonde, but I feel like I do look better with darker hair. I feel like it makes my eyes pop more, it makes my makeup pop more. It suits me better. But the thing is I like the blonde hair better. People were commenting saying, you should do it, but you know you won't. I had lots of comments saying that, being like, you know you won't do it because you love your blonde hair. Like I do, I love my blonde hair. Cannot wait to do Vlogmas. I don't have any plans for it yet. I'm just right now figuring out what to do for the intro, because I'm just gonna keep this my vlog intro for November. It's a summery one, and then I'll do one in the new year, and I'll do a Vlogmas one. If you guys don't have a hairless cat, you should get one. Even if you think that they're weird, they honestly are like the biggest cuddle bugs. They love you. They'll just, as soon as I go into a blanket, my cat's like running after me to like come and snuggle me. He like licks my face in the morning and purrs and goes like this. It's really like the boost of serotonin that I need is Shugsy. I know people are like, what about Zeph? I'm like, well, Shugsy's king. That's why his name's King Shugs. But yeah, I feel like crap. I'm still in my friend's sweater. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm just gonna be like a bum and lay on the couch all day today. But I hope you guys are having a good day, and we'll have a good weekend. The bun's like burnt too. We could get extra ketchup and onions. What's your McDonald's order? Please tell me. This is trash. I'm sorry. Maybe it's not the same as what everyone always says, but it literally is like lettuce and ranch dressing. Also, when we were taking an Uber home, or to my house, the Uber driver, I got him to guess how old you think I was. Guess what he said? 18, 19. Teen? That was insane. I couldn't believe that. If you guys don't know, I'm 31 years old. So I was like, hey, how old do you think I am? And he's like, I don't know, like 18, 19. I don't know if he was just being mean to get it, or being nice to get a tip. But I was shocked. I was like, what the hell? Everyone always tells me online how like, or like haters tell me how like old I look and how like, oh, you're looking rough or like this. And then strangers that see me for the first time, they're like 18. I'm like, what the fuck? Also, the last thing that I wanted to say is the Travis Scott concert. People are asking me to comment on it. Okay, I get if like social issues come up where like, you know, big social issues that, you know, you should have I don't know how to explain it. Social issues that you should have an opinion on, or like people have a genuine opinion on, or it's like something that needs to be talked about, to be brought up for a good reason, or to like donate, or to bring awareness or something like that. I get that, but something like this isn't my opinion to talk about. People losing their lives, all these conspiracy theories have come out. Families are struggling. People are traumatized for the rest of their lives that were at that concert. People seeing what they saw, people hearing what they hear, even being in an environment where something like that happened. Now, you know, comfort artists, but if that's, you know, if Drake is your comfort artist or whoever was at Astroworld that time, maybe now, you know, it's not your comfort artist anymore. So that's a whole other thing. Also, just like the whole tragedy of it is not, it's not my place to, you know, just make a status about it, is what I'm trying to say. Like, what are your opinions? What are your thoughts? Like, I wasn't there, so I don't have an opinion. I don't have a conspiracy theory or anything like that. All I can say is I hope for the best with all the people that saw stuff, who are going through things. I've seen, as you guys probably did, so many TikToks of people that are like you can just see it in their eyes, like they're terrified, or there's just, what they saw was horrific, and it's so sad. I've never been a fan of Travis Scott. I'm not talking shit. I just have, music I don't really like. But just seeing the clips that I saw were scary. Hearing the screams, and I'm not gonna get into that, but because it's not my place, but it is just very sad, and things like this can happen, and it's so sad that it did happen. And my thought, if any of you guys were there or went to any Astroworld, or if you've experienced anything like this before, because this isn't the first time things have happened at concerts or big social events or anything like that, then my heart goes out to you, and I feel so sorry. Just feel so sorry. Like, you know, there's something you wish you could do, but, you know, like putting out a status, isn't going to do anything for, you know, for what happened in this case. It doesn't bring awareness. It doesn't help in any way, in my opinion, unless it'll help whoever was there to get some comfort. And that's all I'm going to say about that. And if you guys are going through something right now, I hope it does get better. I feel like a lot of people are going through it right now. Try to do things to make your mind positive. Hold people that are positive in your life. Don't distract yourself, because I feel like that's I feel like that's something that what I used to do. I used to distract myself by like trying to do something else or trying not to think about it. Well, when that distraction's over, it's just gonna come back twice as hard because you just distracted yourself temporarily. If you are going through it, I'm very sorry. And you know what? That doesn't help also, is saying like you're sorry. Like, what does that help? I think I'm done with this food. Ugh. It's making me sick now. I'm gonna lay on the couch and sleep. Just do constructive things, whatever that is for you, whether it's just doing a puzzle. To me, hey, I already gave you one. And also it's my friend's sweater. Me still wearing it. Oh, just doing constructive things can help. And if it doesn't, find something else that will try to at least temporarily make your mind at ease. Get going here. Thank you guys for talking with me while being hungover. I think it honestly helped for me to eat something and like talk and like not just go on the couch all day. So also, if you have any hangover remedies or anything that'll help you, people always have their concoctions. Like pickle juice apparently is something that's good. I'm like, how if it's like full of salt? Because I feel like when you're hungover, your body's dehydrated. So all you need to do is like drink water or electrolytes or something like that. So I feel like that's the opposite. I feel like there's a lot of myths with hungover. It's like pretty much just like get something in your system that's not alcohol and drink a shitload of water or electrolytes like Gatorades or Pedialytes or something like that. I'm gonna get going now because these cat animals are crazy. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys so much. Bye.